Hi everybody, congratulations, we've done it, we did it together. All finished marking, your marks are all entered into the system, and we're all wrapped up for COM 352 for this term. I want to take a moment to thank you all for your participation, your contribution to this course. It is the first time I've taught COM 352, and it's been really great. As a matter of fact, you're all library students in some way. Some of you are just beginning your journey, and others are ready to go out on your practicum. So as a result of this course, I have actually going to be approaching SAIT and see if I might not be able to teach all of the COM courses for the library programs, both distance online and distance and blended and face-to-face. So we'll see how that venture goes, but that is thanks to you and your contributions to this. So your marks are all in. I think that's about all I need. I'm not sure if SAIT has opened up an opportunity for you to provide some feedback. I would really appreciate any feedback that you can give me. That's the way we improve as faculty, and I've taken many a course online and taken courses on how to deliver courses online. So I want to see what I'm doing well and where I can improve too. So if you don't see anything formal and you feel like shooting me an email and letting me know, that would be great. I think SAIT is going to try, though, to put some kind of feedback source in there for you to use. So anyway, that was a quick 10 weeks. I really had a lot of fun. I wish you all the best in your future studies or your future career paths, and I hope you get in touch with each other maybe in the future with well, some of you have many things in common. We found that out somewhat on the discussion board, which I really appreciate you participating in. So good luck. I wish you well, and we'll see you on the flip side. Thanks.